Packer can't come out. Packer stuck. Yes, guys. This is the blessing right here. Yeah, man. Guys, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't think I need to. I just have to give thanks to all the donors who stepped up and said, Kev, look out your island. You see me I say? And them step up, guys, and them do diligence. You know me I say? So me have just give thanks to the subscribers and the viewers as well, you know, to make this possible. So we can also give back to the island after the hurricane. You know me I say? You know me I say, guys? So our starters, guys, in the store we have a whole box of toothbrush over here and, you know, female items and, you know, let's see what it is. You know, if you go down the line, you know, see what it is. And them things that we have, you see it. So this is what I would say. You know what I mean? Happy Thanksgiving. You know what I mean? Thanks to God for allowing me to be able to do something like this and give back. So that's where I'm at with it, guys. Yeah, man. We all got to lend a helping hand, you know? So thanks to all the viewers and subscribers. Kev Lifestyle love, you know? So right now, guys, hasn't done swag one. At the barrel in my pocket. So yes, the operation is on. So guys, this is who's in the building. We have to bring on the big, what you call it, who we have to bring on?
The packer.
The packer. Yeah. You have to bring on the packer. Guys, the work are too intense to me. We couldn't manage, eh? Hey, moms? So you have to bring on the packer. See it there, guys? Yeah, man. Straight out. Straight out to Melissa people in Jamaica. The Jamaican people. That's it. Maybe we have elbow, right?
Yeah.
That is it. That's the guys, we all in. So I'm going to check in probably look more because I have to get busy. Because I'm here carrying all my goods. Guys, it's still here, you know? The packer is still here packing. The packer is here packing. See, have anybody here shout out, moms? No?
Give me that one.
Lana, you have anybody here shout out?
Myself and I.
That is it. They're meanie people. Not over Jesus.
The Jamaica people.
That is it.
You remember them.
Yeah, man, we all at work for you guys right now. I'm glad to see where we are saying, we have it documented. So, remember guys, hurricane really wow. Peanuts, everything. Everything. So we are back. You guys see what we're back. turn too hard, man. Come on. What is this? Yes, yes, guys, we're on barrel 2. Yeah, we're on barrel 2 right now. So, guys, we have stock up with food. Sooner or later on, when we get to barrel 3, I guess. Let's see how far this will stress. Let's see how far. But this is barrel 2. That, you see it? The packer shake him down, you know, watch him now. Shake him, packer. Boy, everything second like a old house. Okay. 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 Yes, guys. Yes, guys, we're on barrel 3. Packer is still here packing. Guys, look. Packer is in the barrel. Yeah, man. But this is not the food, guys. This is just toiletry. See, Packer. Packer get it down and dirty in the barrel. Yes, so we have some nice thermos too as well, guys. Thermos then turn up, you know. We have about a quart and a half thermos, right, babe? 1 quart. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, go on. See it there. Packer in the barrel active. Active inside. Come on, so now go and stay tuned. I have to go back to work. So mom's over there said there are 2 toilet paper. You have anything for some months? 4 that you have? 4, not 2. You have anything for say? No. Mom's active outside.
You get hot.
Yes, I just come out of the barrel.
Just come out of the barrel.
See there, guys.
Hot, sweat, water run.
See me, I say. Barrel 3. So candle is still active out here, guys. Yeah. Walk to the top.
You know what? Repeat that.
I put that one pack 10 or 20. 12. Okay. And you know, to tell the people you know, so Jamaica.
Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday. Don't you have anything to say to subscribers? Nah, it's busy right now. Active. Guys, please hit that subscribe button down below. See that red arrow in the corner? Do it, guys. Leave a comment down below. share the video as well, guys. One active.
Hang on, Sloopy. Sloopy, hang on. Oh.
Karachi Lana. Karachi Paka. It's
Kevin.
Karachi Paka. Hey. See it there? See it there? Guys, everything must go. Everything must go. That's how you pack us a barrel when you're sending it to Jamaica. And I say, guys, as long as you have our plane ticket and what? How much money, Lana? If you come back? You can't pay for pack? Okay. Alright, you now take the money. So he will come for free. Since I buy a ticket and he come for free.
Where?
Anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
That is it. We have to do it for you people. So yes guys, see it? Everything packed. Yeah man, that is it. See? This is going on a catch allergy right and or a fever or a flu. Something I go on. Paka can't come out. Paka stuck. Paka stuck. Yeah. Let me brace the chair for you. Let me brace the chair for you, Paka.
Yeah, come up, man.
Alright, Paka is out of there. Yeah man, so we're done. So this is it guys. Yeah man. So now we're just gonna have to put the address on them and get them out. These barrels will be getting picked up shortly anyway guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. To subscribe to the channel. And for who didn't subscribe to the channel, what you guys wait for, please hit that subscribe button. See? Just look down below to the right. Just hit that. That is it. Your lifestyle and travel. Peace out.